Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Welcome to my class again. Today, your lesson is use of preposition. It is for first year and second year also, and second part from English second part. And it is very simple topics, though it is simple, but not simple actually. You all think that I read it last classes. But no, not so simple it is. You have to know and you have to remember this. What is preposition? You all know what is preposition. Pre means before. What is pre? Pre means before or ago. And position, situation. What is position? Situation. Where is situation means where situation, pre means before and position situation. So those words are used before or pre of noun and pronoun to make a relationship in other words in the sentences with other words. They are called preposition. So what I told, pre means before, position means situation. That means those words are used before of noun or pronoun, pre of noun or pronoun in the sentences to make a relationship with other words in the sentence. They are called preposition. Which words are preposition? On, of, for, in, into, about, along, over, above, and about, along, over, above, before, after, between, etc. There are lots of preposition. But as you are not so little like other words you are reading in Alim first year or second year, you have to know one thing, that you have to memorize some appropriate preposition. You know, if you open your book in preposition where this topics is written in your book, there are some appropriate preposition. You have to remember and you have to learn those preposition, because you will get most of appropriate preposition in your exam. They are simple preposition. It's also applicable, but appropriate preposition is, of course, it is mandatory for you to memorize or to learn, because if you read it you will forget. So you have to memorize. You know what is on? In Bengali, on, upore, upor or upore. Look, on, over, and above. All meanings are in Bengali on, over, above. In Bengali, upor, meaning up. So what is on? If you keep something on some things, on the other things. Suppose this duster is on this table. So if this duster touches the table, then you have to use on. Suppose the duster is on the table. Look, on the table means the duster is at touch of table. It is not different difference. There is no difference between duster and table. It is on the table. It is kept on the table. Here you will write down, you will use on preposition. But what is over? Over also upor in Bengali. But when you use over, when something is kept just little bit different of your head, overhead. Look, this fan is over our head. This fan is over our head. It is not just kept in my head, it is just over my head. There is a gap in from my head and fan. There is a gap. So over will be used when something will be up of your head and there will be different. That is over. And now come above. It is very much up. That is, we are look. The sky is above our head. The sky is above our head. But this sky is not little bit gap. It is very much gap from our head and it is very much up. So here we'll use above. So three pronouns are here, but all meaning same meaning, but use are different, because on is just when you keep something, it will be touched. Suppose the duster is on the table, but the fan is over our head, little bit gap there, and the sky is above our head, there is much gap. Okay, so this is on. Like this, the appropriate preposition you have to know. There will be, if you one word but with another preposition, different preposition, your meaning will be different. So you have to memorize appropriate preposition. They are simple preposition I am showing you, but in your book there are many appropriate preposition. You have to know them and learn them. Okay, now come in. At also your preposition. At, in. Where? That is in also, where we will use at and in before a small place. Before a small place you will use at, and before bigger place, that is smaller and bigger. Look, I live at Mongla in Bagherhat. Mongla is a small town, Bagherhat is bigger than Mongla. So you will use at before a small place and bigger place when you will write down any big city or another town or country. There you will use in. Before country's name we also use in. Again, in means again, in, into. In means moddhe in Bengali. Suppose my books are in bag. My books are in my bag. Look, books are in bag or in the bag. Whatever. And into, this is called when you will do something going on, you are going somewhere, that is into. Look, he entered into the room. He entered into the room. That means he is going. Okay? Is going on, this word, that is into. So like this, there are many preposition I wrote here. You know also some always, of course you know. But now come what is appropriate preposition that you have to try to memorize. Look, live. What is live in Bengali? Live. If I use any preposition, live in, live on. Look, both words are same, but here I write preposition in and preposition on. So what is the meaning? What is the difference? This is appropriate preposition because there is a difference between the meaning of live in and live on. What is live in? বাস করা in Bengali, and live on বেঁচে থাকা. Look, if I write down any sentence, then I have to write down I live in Bangladesh. I live in Bangladesh. But live on, the cow live on grass. Grass. So, what do you mean by this live in? I live in Bangladesh and live on বেঁচে থাকা, the cow lives on grass. That means গরু ঘাস খেয়ে বাঁচে. So, this is the appropriate preposition. If you write here on, then it will be major wrong, and if you write down here in, this is wrong. So this is appropriate preposition that you have to know and learn. There are lots of preposition in your book. You have to learn them. Okay, dear students, today is up to this. See you again. Thank you very much.